the Christmas tree to take back with you?
Well, I don't put one up.
This came out of Egypt. This is what they do them extra heavy duty.
Oh, okay.
And I got it for $5. They got rid of a ton of them. And this is $5. And they got rid of, they had big tall ones, like 12-foot ones, $25.
What?
Yeah. Wow. And they don't come with lights.
What a deal. Yeah, they're just ready to go.
Yeah. And they make it, but they make them. In the back, there's a whole other shop, I work in. Behind that shop in the warehouse, there's a shop on the building.
Nice.
That's the one I won.
That you won.
Won that.
Hey,
And that has the plug and play cards in it.
set up for Blue Nami, Rail Pro, whatever. You know,
Whatever.
no ripping anything apart.
Yeah. So it's not going to be electronics to do that or not timber.
It runs beautifully.
Oh yeah, it's super slick, super smooth. And the shades run like too. The shades with the new truck on them. And I replaced two sets of trucks on my shades. But they run like that too, with those new ones. I'm just talking on the video.
Oh, it's all right. That's good. That way the viewers can hear.
Yeah. Let me keep going this time.
He did. Yeah, it made it through last time.
Sap. Another thing. It was sap. Okay. Sap will stop them. Roll crab. And whatever else, the little things that have excrement that come out of them.
Whatever they leave behind.
All right. We'll do that. Oh, I didn't have the white.
Say the lads.
I didn't have that either. And you'd be surprised. You see the cutouts over there? Let me tell you something. You'd be surprised at how much you have to cut out on turns. So, I initially cut out for smaller cars to go through there. As soon as I put like a 129 scale or something to go through there, I had to cut that more to make it pass, because when it's curving, the back end is hitting stuff, and sometimes the sides will hit something. So I had to cut more out of that than I wanted to. I wanted to make it more tunnel-like. Couldn't do it because the scale of cars, the different car sizes, affect that.
Okay. Never thought about that. It makes sense. Yeah.
Yeah. It's the turning radius is going through there. That's a mess over there. Because I get all the fluids in that tree.
Milltown.
Yeah, Milltown.
Yeah.
That's Milltown. At this current speed I have it set at,
Yeah.
it takes 3.5 minutes for it to go from here back to here.
Yeah, they did an impressive job on that drive system. That run. Wow.
I wonder if they had Germans design it. Because it's almost too smooth. It's almost like OGB smooth.
Yeah, they probably called Markland in secret. Hey, let's make a deal.
Somebody
Yeah.
over there, guys. Who can get it right?
Or maybe.
In two incarnations.
Yeah.
Screwed up the first one. Screwed up the second one. Third one's good. Did y'all do this? Somebody else did it.
And just let